Now we're going to get into the meat. I'm going to show you how to set up a pixel and create a pixel, a custom audience in Facebook, and then make a retargeting link. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the pixel section, and that's where you're going to add a pixel. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop over to Facebook. You're going to go to your ads manager, and then in the tools section, you're going to click audiences. That's going to bring you to all of your custom audiences. Over here, you're going to click this blue button that says create audience and then custom audience. What that's going to do is open up this screen, and you're going to click website traffic. Okay? So once you click website traffic, that means that you're going to be creating a custom audience from people that visit your website. So what you need to do is choose how you want your custom audience to be built. Do you want it to be built from anybody that visits your website, people that visit specific pages, people visiting specific web pages but not others, people who haven't visited in a certain amount of time, or a custom combination of any one of the two? So we are going to choose anybody that visits specific web pages, and we're going to put in an exact URL. Now, down here, you're going to choose people who visited your page, this page, in the last blank many days. So the most you can choose is 180. So depending on how you want to run your custom audience, that's the maximum that you can put in there. Okay? And then you're going to put in a name for your audience. I'm just going to call this test for demo. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get our pixel code. So we're going to view our pixel code here. And there it is. We're going to copy that. And then we're going to go back over to the retargeter software. We're going to go back over to the pixels. We're going to add a pixel. So we're going to call this test for demo. I'm going to paste the pixel code in here. So this is where your pixel goes. And then the description is just for you. That's going to be paste. You submit. And now your pixel is created. You can edit it and you can delete it should you need to. But this is basically a campaign. This is a custom audience. Okay? So then the next step is to go to your retargeting links. And we're going to add a retargeting link. So click retargeting link. And we're going to give that link a name. I'm going to call this, say we're sending this to an Amazon product. This name is just for you. So I'm going to call this Amazon book. Let's call it Amazon book. And the destination URL is going to be Amazon. This is where you would put whatever URL you're sending people to. So if you were sending people to an article and you wanted to capture a custom audience of people that were interested in that topic, if you're building a niche custom audience, that's what this is great for. You're going to put the URL to that article in there. And then you're going to put a name. This is where you're going to create your URL. This is the actual URL that you're going to be using. I'm just going to call this ZonBook so that I know that this is my Amazon book. But it's always going to be retargeter/go/whatever you call it. And then you're going to select your cookie. By selecting your cookie, we mean you're selecting the pixel that you use. So you're telling the link which custom audience this link is for. So where are they going to add this to in your Facebook custom audiences? Now, we only have one set up that we just set up. If you had more than one, you'd be able to select it from the drop down here. And we're going to click submit. Now, once that's done, you'll have all your links in here. You can edit it at any time. You can delete it if you don't need it anymore. It's going to have your link name, your destination URL, so you know where it's going. And then this is your retargeting URL. So this is the URL that people are going to go to. Now, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over to Facebook. And in our audience creator, we're going to go to URL equals, and we're going to paste in that URL. And then we're going to hit create audience. Now, the audience is created. The audience is ready to go. Now, you're going to see it up here. Now, the audience is too small. But once you get people going in there, Facebook is going to start collecting them into your custom audience, and that's going to start to grow, and it's going to give you the size of your audience here. Then you'll be able to select it when you create an ad and target those specific people. So that's how simple it is and how easy it is to get set up and get rocking in your white label retargeter software. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you really enjoy the software.